OpenText is a Canadian software company established in Waterloo, Ontario. It develops content management software to help companies capture and manage data by sorting it in their system. Through past cases, OpenText has assisted companies such as Hyatt Hotel Company, Siemens Technology Company, and Encana Natural Gas and Oil Company to structure their information and solve any issue related to management. In the presentation, we will analyze OpenText's strategy and how they overcome their daily challenges by answering the following questions. According to our textbook, a well-defined winning aspiration represents a company's ideal future and their own concept of winning in the market. To find OpenText's winning aspiration, who are the customers and who are the competitors are the main questions that needed to be answered. OpenText is leading the software industry by solving companies' problems with unstructured information and streamline their business processes. To differentiate the company from its largest competitor on base, OpenText focuses on improving its data security and scalability. We discovered that the company's winning aspiration is to help clients set up an integrated and secure information system to gain better control of the information. Where to play is about selecting regions, consumers, products, and channel that marry well with real consumers' need. OpenText serves a large size of enterprises who have the need to organize, manage, and distribute unstructured content. Its geographic markets are North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Vertical markets are the financial services, government, life science labs, and energy sectors. According to Gartner, approximately 20% of the organization will deploy ECM softwares and the market revenues will grow by 8%. The company delivers software and services through an offshore collaborative model, helping companies identify problems, define the requirements, and work out the unique solution to solve their problem. Tech specialists will work together with the customer online to learn about the end-user thoughts to avoid potential development risks. OpenText has many approaches at its disposal to succeed in the business world. It has the backing of large firms such as Microsoft and Salesforce, also partnership with governments and private services. Providing a wide range of services help to increase the return of investment and accelerate production through low cost. OpenText's business model enabled them to offer more services for a reasonable price, allowing them to tackle the challenge of offering value propositions and competitive advantage along the cascade of choices. Using the indirect approach, OpenText could win through the services of storing and managing information. In fact, an expert in SAP consulting suggests that if we focus on document management, the tools that stands out is OpenText Content Suite 16.0, which provides a simple way to personalize the flow of information from its entry up to the creation of final file accessible to users. This shows the initiative that OpenText is taking by improving the value of its own services. According to our textbook, value proposition is an important step to win and grow as a business. The opinions of its customers are valuable. OpenText should keep in mind how accessible the app will be to customers and ensure it is usable for all of them. Considering that OpenText is a leader and one of Canada's top employers, it can take advantage of mass consumerism and use the innovative strategies that it possesses to generate new initiatives, which makes its service popular among the market. Furthermore, OpenText works with large organizations and governments. This can be used to market its product by addressing information management requirements, as well as the on-demand mobile and online experience present today, that Perch discussed in his explanation of the art of war. By following this analysis, it is clear that OpenText follows the model in increasing consumerism for applications, and with partners such as Microsoft by their side, they will have the tool to do so. OpenText's winning strategy can be based on PNGs, which leads to changes in their businesses. In the case study, PNG shows that to win, business must force changes in their core value, which OpenText does by putting customer need ahead of their own, providing value to them through the number of services and improving their product experience. OpenText has several key capabilities. The company has a large capital background that can support the company's long-term strategy. It also has a diversified workforce with employees from different geographical, racial, cultural, and educational backgrounds. It allows the company to work for global clients and adapt to different culture. OpenText owns a number of patents and trademarks that prevents other competitors from mimicking its product. Its brand awareness is also a huge advantage that it has among competitors due to the age of the brand and its growing products. A management system helps to support capabilities and increase business growth. OpenText needs a financial management system for the purpose of governing their finances and avoiding financial risks. In addition, OpenText should hire people with different cultural backgrounds. They can be trusted to come up with creative ideas to target different geographic markets. The company owns several patents and trademarks. They must renew their ownership of these intellectual assets to prevent other companies from copying. Although OpenText has a great brand awareness in the industry, the companies do need to invest in advertising and search for partnerships. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Have a wonderful day.